Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at WordPad and see what we can really do with WordPad and if we can type words in it and all of that. So I'm going to be guiding you through that particular step, just like that. All right, so very important. If you notice right here, welcome to WordPad basic skill. Yeah, some basic skill. What you're going to definitely do, right? So we're going to be looking at it so far, see what we can actually do, right? So lesson one. So we are right up to lesson two, right? So what we're looking at now is for lesson one. All right. The first thing, open a blank WordPad. Some of you might not familiar with it, but stay to the end and then I will show you step by step how it will be done. All right. It says save it as my work. Copy and paste it. Cut and paste it. Drag and drop it right here and close WordPad. So we're going to be going through this few little step right here so far, right? So now for us to get started, we're going to come right down here in the search bar. So we're going to click. Now when I click, you're going to bring up this dialog box. You notice you see WordPad. So if you don't see it, you can actually type it. Now I'm going to click on it and there you go. See, it actually open it up just like that. Very important. All right, so this is definitely WordPad so far, right? It's very important. So the next thing that we want to be looking at with it, let me zoom out this a bit as I can see it. The second thing is to save it as my work. So definitely I'm going to save it as my work, right? So it's very important. I'm going to do that to save it to as my work, all right? So if you notice, you're going to go to the left. You're going to come right down here to save as. You notice there are several we can actually save it. I can save it here in plain text document. I can come right up here, text document. I'm gonna click. I wanna click, you notice right here. So you wanna type my work, just like that. Ensure that you click right here. You wanna save it on the desktop. So that you have quicker access. And you press right here. Alright. So if you notice, next thing that you wanted to do is to copy and paste it. Alright, it's very important. How you gonna do that? Alright. So this is a visit. So you're going to copy and paste it. So put the cursor on it along the left side of the mouse or the touchpad. You're going to go all the way down. So this is surface copy. You click on copy. So you want to paste it out here. You right click again. You know, just bring up the small look dialog box. You just come right here. Click on the word paste. Just like that. You come again. Right click on it. Come all the way down to copy and click. You put the cursor right where you want it and then right click. And then you click on paste. Alright, so now finish that now. We're going to be looking at cut and paste so far. Cut and paste. Alright, so you put the cursor on it, you want to right click. Bring up this little dialog box here. You're going to go down to the word cut. So you're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to put the cursor over here. You're going to right click. And then you're going to click on the word paste. Alright, you put the cursor on it, you right click. Go down to the word cut. And then you're going to put this right here, right click again. And click on it. So there you go. Right, so the next instruction says drag and drop. Drag and drop. You put the cursor on it. You go along the left side of the mouse or touchpad there, you drag it like that. But what if you want to drag everything together? You just hold on the side and block everything. You put the cursor upon one, hold on the left side and just drag it like that. Everything move just like that. So that's how you drag and drop. Right, next instruction said close the WordPad. Right, very important. How you gonna close it? Definitely it already closed already, right? So let me open it back for you make you see exactly how you can close it. You can use the shortcut key, just the same. To do that, you can come right over here and click. There you go, and close it. Right, so thanks for watching. See you in lesson 2.